what I want to get at is the story within the story, which is iCasino, online casino, and it seems to be lost on folks. But I think the data that we're seeing, at least the first couple states that have reported for December, people are going to start focusing on it a little bit more, just because the data is so strong that they kind of have to, right? So growth in iCasino accelerated from plus 21% year over year in November. We estimate it's going to come in track around plus 26, could even in December, could even be a little bit stronger than that. And I think as a reminder, if we look at sort of the time series of data for iCasino states that have iCasino and online sports betting, growth in GGR terms has not dipped below 19% year over year for the last 2 years. And again, it's not about levels, right? But this is an industry where you haven't had a lot of legalization and expansion across the country, but you've had really significant call it same state growth over these last 2 years. And every time we get to a quarter and we need to start updating our models, well, what do you know? The iCasino contribution continues to be higher and higher as each market starts to penetrate into more of that population. Loyalty programs are cultivated, and you're creating more of that habitual play among your users, and then also that crossover play between online sports betting and then iCasino. Really unique secular story, not getting enough airtime, but we're going to give it as much as we can here on this platform and obviously in our notes and our research. But I think it's really interesting when you have a mature market like New Jersey that's offered online casino since 2016, or actually before 2016, 2013, I believe. That market's still growing and accelerating north of 20% year over year. So really interesting story brewing in the iCasino space. And, obviously, what my takeaway is. DraftKings, 40 to 45% of their GGR base is casino driven and not online sports betting driven. So, and this is where all the profits are, at least for now. You have that inflection in sports betting, but iCasino is really where the high margin growth is.
As Jenks said, like it's a narrative, the market share argument against, we understand the narrative. Anybody can think through a narrative. But the data trumps the narrative. The signal trumps, combine the data and the signal. DraftKings, there's a reason why on our signal strength list of longs, it's the finest wine. It's the oldest, the longest held idea by the team. By the way, at the Valbella last night, we made an executive decision to launch the signal strength list of stocks as a product, okay, to all of you, not just our institutional subscribers. So again, that's going to come out when it comes up. I know what month we're shooting for, but I don't want to disappoint anybody if we miss
Love
that
that
date.
list. Love that list.
That's the moneymaker for all of you that are like, how do I take everything I learn on the call and apply it? Well, it'll be a list of stocks ranked in order from the time we put it on, and there will be a date. All right, the old timestamp. It's as old as Hedgeye itself.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.